Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Harita. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I have this washable roller pedi to unbox. So we're just going to be unboxing this, and this is I don't think this is new, but me, I'm just discovering it. So it's new to me. So it says here, in health, washable roller pedi removes hard, rough skin for smooth, soft feet. So it has it's water resistant. It includes two roller, roller what files for his and hers. Oh wow, that's nice. And here it says comfortable, safe, and effective way to remove hard, rough skin. Unique roller file, spin 360 at an amazing 40 minutes per second. Water resistant design allows for easy cleaning. Comes with two AA alkaline batteries included. So when I bought this on Jumia, by the way. And before buying it, the one I saw, I didn't know there are actually two types. I thought they're all the same. The one I actually saw that made me purchase this is rechargeable. You can recharge it, and comes with a cord and everything for you to be able to recharge. So when I received this one and opened it, and I noticed that this one is battery, I was a bit disappointed because I didn't really want to opt in for the battery option. I didn't even know that it's battery option. I thought everything are the same. But nonetheless, I've bought it already. So just have to use it and see how it works. Remove hard drive. And here it says remove a same thing here, and the back here it's washable roller pedi rough hard. The same thing they wrote in the front, same thing here. So this is before. So this is meant to actually um soften your feet and rough skin, hard skin, but it can only be used on the feet. I don't think you can use it anywhere else on your body. And it comes with two roller, and it's advisable to use one roller per person. You cannot share for health benefit, or for just generally for health benefit, though it's not advisable to share one roller. So it's even good that they put two there, so each person can take this and each person can take this. And it says here it's easy to clean, and there's a brush included. So let's just open it up and see what we have inside. Where is this made? This is made in I think it's made in China though. So let's just open it up and see what we have inside. Wow, the quality is nice. The quality, so it comes with this little manual here. This instruction manual on how to use it and everything you need to know about it. So here it explains the different parts and diagram and function, the different parts and functions. So here is battery installation, how to install the battery and all that. So yeah, that's that for the manual. That's that for the manual. So here it comes with this brush. The one I also saw before buying this one as well. That one comes with like I said, it comes with cord, charger, something like that. This has more. I think it has about four inside, and other things again. Like well, so this is the brush it comes with, just for you to easily clean the stuff, the machine when you're done using it. Just help you to clean it. And this is the second roller. Before use, please remove plastic tab from batteries. Okay. And this is the second roller for her. And this is the main. That's quality too. I was when I got it, the quality was kind of amazing. I love the quality, the build quality. It's very solid. But is it gonna last? I don't know. Just have to keep using it and see how it goes. So it says here made in China, and this is where you insert your battery. This is if you want to change this one. But before you, like it says, you have to remove the tab inside. I've tested it before, so I've removed that. So you have to remove this cover as well before you put it on. So let me quickly, okay, if you want to change this one, you just press this thing here and let me show you guys. So if you want to change this, you just press this here and this will be easy to, and you can just pull this out. Then for the next person to use, you can just put this insert it in this way. When you put it, you just press it down. So you're good to go for the next person to use. So let's just take this one out again and fix this crap inside. So for you to, this is where the battery is. For you to open the battery, you have this place here. This place the roads open. Just turn it like this. Then the cover easily comes out. Then you see the battery. But also you have to look at this. There's a sign here that shows you, that indicates how you should put your battery in. So this place I have a plus sign here, which you can put this one like this. Okay, yeah. Here you see the minus sign somewhere here. Then this one goes in like this. And you cover it back. And you cover it locked, pull out. And when you're done, you lock it back. So let's just, so for you to power it on, you just kind of use this place. Okay. Off, on, off. So let's do a quick test. So let's do a quick test and see how this works. And also guys, don't, when you're using this, you don't stay too long on a particular spot. On a particular spot, you just take at least 2 seconds, then you move from that spot to another spot. Don't work on a spot for a long time. It is not advisable. So this is what we've gotten so far. You can see, let's skip. I don't even know if it is working or not. What's it meant to, like, okay, this is what came out from my leg. I think this is, my leg is not really that I don't think it's that bad, but for people that have this very hard knee, or have all this new stuff, maybe this will work better for them. I feel like my knee, my, sorry, foot, a bit feet, not new. Sorry about that. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this point, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.